Bird's eye view, bird's eye view, chill. Yeah, bird's eye view. I seen it coming with a bird's eye view. Yeah. Noticed in my rear view, complaining ain't here too. This Officer Rodriguez, he was just in year 2. Sophomore, a beat cop, pull for a rolling stop, hoping he don't get the chance to notice that I got the Glock on me. This 05 or 03, I was just a shorty, then I grew to be a OG. Glad I got my papers right, registration in my life. Sense, it really saved my life then. Told me he'd give me a pass, acknowledge him and hit the gas. Never like to follow rules, and just now I almost crashed. I looked at my reflection, the bullets in the chamber, but I'm really the weapon. The times that I ain't focused are results of my own actions. So how could I then blame you for the chain reaction? It's cause and effect. I knew niggas was shooting but refused to wear a vest. Now I lay there at the center of a new reality. Can't fall for that victim mentality. Recovering, it rattled me. Life support, I'm battling. The only way I made it through is that I had to challenge me. Yeah, it's things I can't prevent, and I refuse to live my life just playing on the defense. Yeah, it's things I can't prevent, and I refuse to live my life just playing on the defense.
Okay. I got a story to tell, and it will never get old. See, you reap what you sow, you probably keeping the score. See, you know what you know, and we know what I did. Look, picture a bunch of rappers upset at me over women. Karma v redemption ain't the worst since 2 Novembers. Let's take it back 2 Novembers. Fall, winter, baby girl be bad for me, and don't you tell me no. Both of us was in relationships, guess that's just how it goes. Always falling for her type, she's someone else's wife. Right, a hot commodity, everybody want her, but Ocho, he's the new Da Vinci. She can't be everybody's Mona. Supposed to be rocking shows together, platinum, diamond, gold together. She having sin, but still she gotta get her soul together. Black rose petals for me and my current lady. Favorite rapper must be Eminem, she say I'm acting shady. Baby, she said baby no, you been acting weird ever since you met so-and-so just a year ago. See, I seen it all before. What was her name? Nina Rose. See, you never learn your lesson, everything that glitter isn't gold. Got a bird's eye view, I seen it coming with a bird's eye view. With a bird's eye view, with a bird's eye view. Ocho Pacino got a bird's eye view. How about you?